Hello and welcome to week 4 of Shaw University's English 111 Online Summer 2018. I know it says 17, I guess we've been through that before. Alright, so what's going on this week? Well, last week was a lot of good stuff going on. This week, not so much. We're just going to be really working on revision of paper 2. So you're watching week 4, yeah. Now, when you did your first draft of paper 2 last week, you uploaded it here so I can give you feedback, and uploaded it here for other people to get feedback. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go back to the discussion board and you're going to read and comment on 3 other students' papers in the discussion board. When you click on there, again, you're going to answer these questions. Okay. Anyway, just follow these directions to understand what's going on for that discussion board. Yeah, there's that. Okay. Once you're done doing that, now you have, you have until Wednesday, June 13th to do this feedback, because they need to get the feedback and you need to get the feedback in order to get your final draft done, which is due on the 17th. Yeah, so you have a due date on Wednesday. Alright, so what else is going on? You got to watch a video on critical thinking, because, again, research paper is really about trying to step outside of your own brain and get past your biases and your reasons of why you think things are, and maybe look at them deeper, try to understand things from a deeper point of view. Kind of one of the major skills you should be learning at college. So this kind of introduces that concept. You get to do some extra credit for midterm, even though it's just 6 weeks. Yeah. So you can get some extra credit by answering in a few sentences what elements of this class are working or you find most effective, what elements of this class are not working or you find least effective, what suggestions do you have for Professor Morgan to make this class better. You just click on this and answer those questions. You will get 10 points of extra credit towards either paper 1 or paper 2, whichever one needs it. It does make a difference because these are worth a lot of points, so you're great. All right, what else can you do? I put the video here for how to set up a works cited page. More than likely, students really struggle with that, so you can find this in the resources at the top of the page. But watch this again because you will need to do that correctly for your final draft of paper 2. Okay, and again, just like with paper 1, you have to be careful. You need to submit it as a doc or docx file, and you will get a 0 if you upload the wrong file. Oops, I accidentally wrote. No. I will look at the differences between the first and the final draft. As you know, I take your first draft, I download it. I take your last draft, I download it. I run it through a program, and it shows me exactly what the differences are. If there are no differences or very few differences between your first and your final draft, you get a 0. You don't get double points for doing the same assignment. And also when you run it through this, if you plagiarize any part of your essay, you get a 0. Once again, to submit something through Turnitin, you click on the link here, and then you scroll down, hit submit paper. That's how you submit the paper. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, so to review, you're watching this video, then you're going to go in your comments, you're going to look at 3 other students' papers, read them, and give them feedback on their papers of what they need to do better. Then you're going to watch the video on critical thinking. You can take your midterm quiz, extra credit, yay! Okay, watch this video to help you figure out how to do your works cited page, then revise your paper based on the feedback that I gave you and the feedback you got from your peers, and submit the final draft. Also, in case you are missing it, there is free tutoring help for summer and online classes. Yes, you just need to call them and set up an appointment and figure out the best way that they can help you. That's free, even during the summer, to get help. So if you need help with your paper, contact the Writing Center. It's free. It's free. You should get help with every paper you need to submit, because why not? You have free help to help you get a better grade. Yeah, do it. Okay, so that is it for week 4. All right, so have fun doing the paper.